The fight. Jesus Christ, that monster though. Oh, so this is the opening. We're gonna start with the opening. Okay. Oh. Oh. Bowling. Whoa. Damn son. Oh. Getting headbats. Guessing this is Makima. Oh yeah. The soundtrack, the animation, the art style. Jesus Christ. Whoa! Such cool moments in this opening. It seems like the characters are happy-go-lucky, though, in such a dance anime opening. MC's up for the food. Yeah, this is the end already. Damn. Oh, this is the ending, right? We do not have any visual, but we're hearing it now. Damn. Chainsaw Man. Woo. Chainsaw Man. Ding. Yeah, this is good, man. Chainsaw Man. Mappa.